Yo guys, what is up? Today, I'm gonna be playing Slitherio. And yeah. Oh gosh, it's glitching, I guess. I don't know why. Yeah, let's not build these. Can I build a Slither? Yes! Oh my god, I can build my own Slither. Whoa. Building and Sliver. I don't really care what I get for my Slither. I'm about to renege. Oops. I ran out of space. That looks good. Alright, now I'm gonna name my thing AJ, aka Ching Gaming. What? AJ, aka Ching Gaming. Oh, I found someone. No, you're trying to circle me. Yes! Yes, I got him! And by the way, I felt like doing this because I was watching Funnel Vision right now. I like FGT. Yeah. No, I don't want you. I want you. I want you. I want you. I don't know why I said I don't want you. No, you're not getting in my way. You're not getting in my way. You're not getting in my way. No, I don't want to touch him. I made my own custom. Whatever it's called. Sliver. No. No. Trump keeps winning. Wank. Razor. Who's Razor? I bet you it's possible to find those like beeping ones. Yeah, like that. You like that. Yeah. Oh, I got it. That was cool. Alright, I don't know why I'm holding the WASD keys, even though they don't do it. Only the mouse does stuff. Now, let's try Agario. AJ, aka Chingamer. I'm better at Agario. Okay. Plus new mode battle royale. Why is there so much DNA? Oh. I'm gonna try being a Doge. Yes, I'm a Doge. I'm a Doge. Yes, I want to get to Eton. Good. I got to Eton. Alright. I'm gonna be... I think I'm gonna be a papa. What does that do? Wait, is there my own Agario character? Is there an FGT one? No. FGT. Alright. Oh no. I'm just a little tiny person. No, I'm FGTV. I'm FGTV. How dare you do this to FGTV? Now we're gonna try another .io. Which .io? Or let's go to no. Is there a Fortnite.io? Why did I say 10? Fortnite.io. Fortnite.io. I guess it's Zombies Royale is Fortnite.io. Okay. But we'll try it. This is like Fortnite. Oh my god. Well, now, I guess we're gonna end the video here, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye! Peace!